Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's November 2nd, and that means it's day 2 of my tag a day for November 2022. So let's get to it. For today's tag, I used this Ink and Splatter Utterly Fabulous stamp set again. I just love those cows. And then I used this die right here. It's from My Favorite Things. It's the Stitched Scalloped Basic Edges die. And then I did use this die here. It's from Sunny Studios, and it's the Mini Matte and Tag 2 die. I am really liking all of these Sunny Studio dies. Okay, who am I kidding? I like all the dies. And then I used the Ink and Splatter Farm Fresh paper pad. So onto my cute tag for the day. I mean, come on. How adorable is that little tag? It would make me smile if it was tucked away in a card or tied on a present or just, I don't know. I don't even know if I can part with it. It's just so darn adorable. So that's that Farm Fresh paper, that Sunny Studios Mini Matte and Tag Die 2, and the Utterly Fabulous stamp set. Oh, and then I just added some twine to it or whatever. So super cute. So there is my tag for day number 2. I will be back tomorrow for day 3. And all the information is in the description box below. And I think that's it. So I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.